Facebook and Instagram ads. Yes, it can be really very challenging, most especially when you're trying to promote a product and you don't know how you can go about it. Okay, so it is no news anymore that if you want to get your content out there to a lot of persons beyond your current Facebook or Instagram page, you definitely need to run ads. This is one of the major reasons why a lot of people are trying as much as possible to understand, like, what's this ad thing like? How does it work? How can we actually get to process this ad? This is why I'm going to explain everything to you in this video. This video mainly is just to give you the step-by-step guide on how you can get your account set up and get ads running. For the purpose of this video and for you to be able to understand the step-by-step guide on how you can actually promote your product or basically promote your content on your social media page, either Instagram or Facebook, I'm going to be using a practical example. That's what I'm going to be using to explain this to you. So just please watch and so you can learn. So let's say you want to run a Facebook ad and you don't have an idea on how you can go about it. So this is how you can go about your Facebook ad. First of all, you open facebook.com on your browser. So now when you open facebook.com, of course, before you even start thinking of running ads, of course, I admit you already know how to create your page. You already know how to go about creating your Instagram page, how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook page. Because if you don't have a page, if you don't have your Instagram linked to your Facebook, you probably will not be able to run ads. So if you've not actually watched the video on how you can do all that, please just either here or here, there's a link that just popped up. Click the link so you can watch on how you can be able to create your Facebook or your Instagram. So when you open your Facebook account, this is my Facebook account. Remember, you have to access your Facebook account before you go to your Facebook page. Yeah, so this is my Facebook account. You're going to see shortcuts here and you're going to see menu here. So if you can't find your own shortcut here, to see what you've created before, just come down to menu and then click on pages here. You're going to see all the pages that you've created in recent times. So currently you can see here, these are all the pages that I manage currently. So all these pages is basically in that space where I have access to them. I can literally run ads on any of them. But for the purpose of this training, I'm going to be choosing skill desk. Yes, I'm going to be choosing this guy here. So I will click on this so it can load up. So now when this loads up, what you need to do next is, first of all, you have to just click on Meta Business Suite, because Meta Business Suite is more of like the platform that helps you, gives you the leverage to manage these ads. So you click on Meta Business Suite, and then when you click on Meta Business Suite, it's going to now show you advanced option of your page. So you can see, like I said before, you need to have your page linked both Facebook and Instagram so that you can be able to have your ads splitted in both places. So I have them splitted here, and this is currently Meta Business Suite. Now, so how do we get to the ad part? How do we start promoting and stuff like that? So things to do before you start, that's before you even get to this platform, before you get to this particular spot, what you need to have ensured is you need to, first of all, of course, have your ad copy one-sided. Have your video you want to promote one side. That's what I mean by ad copy. I mean the caption and then the video. You need to have these things one side so that you would just promote once. I mean, you don't want to be on ready and then you come to this place. You need to have those stuff down. So I assume you already have the stuff. So let me just search my gallery for what I think I would love to promote. Or if it is on your page, let's say you already have it on your page already, you've uploaded the video, you just want to run it as ad. So in that case, what you would do is, once you get here, which is Meta Business Suite, what you do is come to content. And then under content, what you do is you see list of content you've posted. But because I don't have any content on this page yet, you can see that I don't have, it's telling me that no activities during this date range. So that's what this is showing me. So on your own, you might have seen something else like that. So let me just check another page and use it. That's something that I already have something uploaded. So I can be able to show you something. So let me use this one here. So this is Techpreneur Africa. So Techpreneur Africa is basically a platform where you can actually learn skills, and that's basically get to learn a new skill for a very cheap price. That's the page here. So I have content on this, I guess. So I'm just going to come under this place. Remember, everything we're doing here is under Facebook Meta Business Suite. So I'm going to come to this part here where it says content. Then I'm going to check out for content that I already have uploaded on Meta Business Suite. So you can see here, I have contents uploaded here. Meta Business Suite controls both Facebook and Instagram. So that's why you can see here, this content is currently active on Instagram and it's active on Facebook. That's why you see this logo here. So for me to check what content I want to promote, what I'm just going to do is look through, and let's say this guy here. I'm going to click it, and then when I click it, what I'm just going to do next is come down and click on view post on Instagram. So this is what the post is like. Of course, you can play to know if it's fine, what you want, or do the audio.
It was basically just like a clan website of sorts where people would come and look into the gaming websites and like connect.
So this is more of like a testimonial of somebody who has learned this course and stuff like that, and the person sharing his experience. So I would love to promote this post. So the first thing I would do is, remember, this post is already existing in the social media page. It's not like I have it somewhere else. It's already existing. So I'll take note of the name of the post. Meet David, one of our students, blah, 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 blah. That's the post I want to promote. Now, I've gotten the post I want to promote, right? So what I'll do next now is go to Ads Manager. So this part here shows you all the tools on your Meta Business Suite. But if these are not all the tools, actually, so you click on all tools so you can be able to see what all the tools is like in this Meta Business Suite. So this loads up and eventually brings out a menu for you where you can see all the tools under Meta Business Suite. So where you're going directly in is Ads Manager. That's what you look for. So this is Ads Manager here. This is what we're looking for, Ads Manager. So once you click on Ads Manager, it's going to open the ads page for you. And then what you do is you see ads that have been running on that page for some time. I know a lot of you are wondering, why am I getting this error? Why are we seeing this error? Before you create ads, you need an ad account. So an ad account, it's more of like your normal bank account. It's like your savings account where you save the money that you use to run the ads. So you need an ad account, which is more of like going to hold records of all the ads that you've run, you've placed in the past, and what they are like and how much you spent on the ad. That's what you need an ad account for. So, of course, you can quickly just set up an ad account if you don't already have one. Just click on the button here and follow the prompt, and you'll set up an ad account. But in my case, I don't think I want to set up an ad account right now. So what I'm just going to do is go back to another account that I know I have an ad account. So I'll come here, Meta Business Suite, and I'll click on this drop-down menu, and I'll check for the different pages, the one that I know very well that I have an ad account on. So let's say I want to promote for Brand Square. I think I have ad account for Brand Square. So when I open Brand Square, I come to check if I have content on Brand Square, first of all, that I would love to promote. Of course, I'm seeing one content here, and let me just try promote that particular one. So what I'm going to do in that case is I'm going to come here to tools, all tools, like we said before, all tools, and then you click on Ads Manager. Then it's going to load. If you don't have another account, it's still going to give you that same prompt it gave the last time you get. But in this case, we have an ad account. And you can see we've actually carried out several ads on this particular ad account that's in the past. We've carried out several ads on this ad account. So it's something that we can definitely use. So now, how do you know the ad account you're operating on? On your Meta Business Suite, on your Facebook page or your Instagram page, it's allowed to have more than one ad account. It's allowed to have up to 3 ad accounts and even more. So how you know your ad account? Your ad account has the ad ID, the ad account ID, which you can always come and check and know which ad account you are operating on. So here you can see Brand Square is the name of the ad account, and this is the ad ID. You can create more. If you have more, you can always see them there. So when you get to this page now, what your ad is like, what your ad is, the ad you're running is definitely going to show here if you have anyone running. These are toggles that help you put off your ad. In case you don't want them running anymore, you can easily put them off. I can just come and say, okay, I want this ad to continue running. I can put it on. Do you get? So Facebook is going to process this and approve it, and then it will go back on. And then if I don't want it running, I will just put it off. That's what this toggle here is for. Do you get? So now ads is set in three ways, like three categories. What I mean, three categories now. There's ad campaigns, there's ad sets, and then there's the ad itself. Now, what the ad campaign is more of like ad campaign is like this is the campaign I am running. Then maybe you have several ad sets inside, which is more of like folders that holds ad. Then you now have the main ad, which is inside the folder. So if I say ad campaign, for instance, let me use a practical description. So I can say this is my ad campaign. Like this is my ad campaign. So I'm just going to title this guy here ad campaign. We'll title this guy ad campaign. Then I have this is my ad set. So I'm going to make this guy blue. No, blue. This, I will say this is my ad set. So I have ad campaign and I have ad set here. I have ad sets, and then I have ad, which is final one, ad. Okay, so I have ad. So the way it works, like, okay, let me just try as much as possible to link them. Arrow. Sorry, not that arrow. So let me just try to link them. So this, from this, it drops down to this, and then from this, it drops down to this. So you need to have your ad campaign. Then under your ad campaign, you need to have your ad sets. Then under your ad set, your ad now stays. The reason why is because, for instance, let's say we want to promote we sell bag, or we sell bag. Yes, for instance, we sell bag. So now I'm going to title this guy bag ad campaign, right? Bags ad campaign, right? I will explain to you the reason why this labeling is very important. Bags ad campaign. Then under this ad campaign, I'm now going to say, okay, yes, I'm going to say bag ads campaign. I can now say set of blue bags. Sorry. Set of blue bags, ad sets, right? Then inside this same set of blue bag ad set, I now have another one again, which is set of black bag ad sets. Set of black bag ad set. I'm just going to put this one and make it this set of black bag ad sets. So no, let me make it black because it's black bag. Oh, sorry. Make this black because it's black bags. Like, of course, the text are definitely going to be white. So set of black bag ad set of blue bag ad set. Then these are the ads themselves. So inside here, I will now say add themselves, and now say black bag. So inside this ad, I will now have 3 blue bag, 3 blue bag ads, and then I'll have 3 black bag, 3 black bag ads. So I have 3 blue bag ads and 3 black bag ads. Now I'll explain to you. So total here I have 6 ads running. I categorize them so somebody can come and see blue bags and black bags. So let's go back to the ads. So this is what it is like. Under ad campaign, you have the main category. For instance, we said, okay, bag ad campaign, right? Then under the campaign set, you now have particular category. Like here, I just have one inside. You can have several. Then inside that one, you can now have another one again. It's more of like folders, just like you create folder to store videos. Then when they open the folder, they will now see another folder that has another video. It's more of it's a way of you making things go orderly. So you need to understand that. Now that's on that part. So you will see the name labeling here. Then you will see if the ad has currently delivered or is currently off. You will see it here. That's what this platform explains here. Then on this part, attributes, what exactly is the settings of which you kept your attribute? Like your attribute settings. Attribute settings is a finite period of time during which conversion can be created. As what time duration did you set for your conversion to be created on the ad? Then results. What are the results you're expecting from your ad? Like you could see here, this ad, shopping campaign and all that. I had, this one, tailored ads campaign. This majorly to get leads. Tailored leads, like this one here, tailored leads campaign. This majorly to get leads. I got 15 and all that. Then how many people did I reach? This is the reach. I reached 2,141 persons. So this is frequency. Like frequency is more of like the average number of time people saw your ad. Did these people see your ad multiple times? Did one person see your ad multiple times? So once it's around 1.6, 1.0.7, 1 point shows that, okay, yes, you had these people see your ad a number of times. So that's the frequency. Then on cost per click, cost per result, how much did it cost for a particular result? If you said, okay, somebody was supposed to click your ad, how much was it per ad? So you can see here, this particular ad is saying 361 naira points, 361.66 naira. That's what it cost for somebody, for each lead that came in. That's what was deducted from it. Then budget. How much was your budget? Majorly, you don't need most of the time. You might choose to set a budget. You might not choose to set a budget. You can just, be running. I don't have an end budget for where I want my ad to stop. That's this part. Then on this part, amount spent. How much did you spend on the total ad before you stopped running? This is where you get it. Then at the ad end, if the ad is ended or is still ongoing, you're going to see it here. Impressions. What's the impression on the page and all that? You're going to see. So all these are information it gives you on the ad. So when you come here, you see all this information. It's more of like you understanding, okay, this is how my ad performed. This is how my ad actually performed out there and all that. And it will help you know if you want to adjust or if you want to make some tweaking on the ad. So that's on that part. So now to place an ad, what you will now do is when you come to this page, the next thing you will do is click on create. When you click on create, it will now ask you, what kind of ad do you want to run? So did you have a video? Do you have a video that you want to make go viral for more people to see, to like, to comment? Or do you have a product that you want to put out there so that people can actually chat you up to your DM and ask for more information about your product? Or do you just want to put out this post so people can actually just see it? That's majorly to create awareness. So you need to choose what exactly is the goal. So do you just want to get people's data, like their name, their phone number, stuff like that? Is that why you're running this ad? You need to be very sure you get. That's where these guys come in. So let's say, for instance, what I want to do is more of like engagement. I want people to engage with my post. I want people to comment on my post. I want people to like my posts and stuff like that. So I'm going to click on engagement. So you choose that part now. Now, So next thing, you click on continue. And then when you click on continue, you're going to come here. Now, what Meta is giving you is like, Meta is telling you that, okay, we can actually automatically help you tailor your ad to what you want. And we think we can actually give you a very good result in that part. You can choose to say, no, I don't want it. Manually, that's what you will click to actually go set it yourself. And most of the time, pretty much, I feel like I prefer setting it myself because I know what I want. I know the people I want to target, and I think I know how to reach out to this person. So I just prefer setting my ads myself. So I'll click on this and I'll click on continue. Now, when I click on continue, it will now pop up the ad setting page for me. Now, on this page, what you're going to see now is how to set up your ad. Remember what we discussed here. You have the main campaign, you have the campaign sets, and then you have the campaign itself. So it's more of like, this is the main folder. Then all these things reside inside this big folder. Then all this will now reside inside this folder that is inside this folder. Do you get? That's what you have here. These three here. You can see here, campaign, ad sets, and ad. So on campaign now, you can see it's highlighted somehow blue. It's highlighted blue. So that's where we are currently at. What do you want to title your campaign? Like we stated here clearly, we said we have bag ads campaign, right? So I want to title this guy bag ads campaign. So bag, because I have many bags I want to say. I have both blue bags and black bags. So I'm going to click black. I'm going to type black. Bags. I'm going to type bags, ad campaign. That's the title, the main title of the stuff. Then I'm going down now. Here it's asking you, it said, okay, special ad category and all that. Declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, and all that. All this is because it's very important to declare. If all this, your ad is related to any of these, you have to state it, point it out that, okay, yes, my ad, by clicking on categorize your ad, because they need to carry out some kind of extra check on it to be sure, because anything that has to do with politics, anything that has to do with you, doing anything related to credit, housing, social media issues, and that social issues and all that, you need to actually click on this so you can do. But in our own case, we just want to sell bags, right? So what we're going to do here now is go down categories. Like I said before, you don't need to click this if you don't have anything to do with such. So you don't need to click that. Then I'll come here. Of course, we're buying. Yes, that's what we're doing. Campaign objective, engagement. We already picked that earlier. We said we wanted engagement. We can edit it in case we change our mind. Then we'll go down and look at it and say, okay, advantage, campaign budget. You don't need to click this pretty much. Just come down to the next one, which is ad set. So under ad set now, what did we title our ad set here? We titled our ad set blue bag set. Let's do blue bag set first of all. So I'll now title this guy blue bag ad set. Blue bags ad set. So that's what I'll title that. Then I'll now come here. They say conversion location. Now, conversion location, you said you wanted engagement, right? So how do you want these people to engage with you? Now, then you're going to just put, get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, on Instagram. Yes, of course, the social media. So they definitely need to engage with you. Then when you pick that one, you now come next and now choose where exactly you're running this. As remember, we choose a page. You need to have a page. So you definitely will choose the page that you want to run the ad. Then after that, it's now asking you, okay, messaging apps. What are the messaging apps you want to have this ad running? Do you want it only on Messenger? People should only chat you up on Messenger concerning your products, or people should chat you up on Instagram? So in my own case, I think I'm pretty much okay with the both of them, but I don't think I want to receive any message on WhatsApp. So I don't pick WhatsApp. So what I'll do next is now put my number. Of course, this number is if you want to pick WhatsApp. That's why this number will be here originally. So if you don't want to pick WhatsApp, you shouldn't have this here. Remember, when you're creating your page, they will ask you to put your number on your page. That is how I got this number here, because I had it on my page when I was creating the page. So that's how I had this here. So I don't want WhatsApp, so I'm just going to proceed, and then I'm going to come to performance go. you don't need to click on this particular performance goal. So the next thing you do is come to bidding control, leave bidding control. You don't need to adjust bidding control because you're coming here to adjust the budget itself. So now on budget, what I'm going to do, I'm saying, okay, daily budget. How much do I want to spend on my ads daily? That's where you choose how much you want to spend on your ads daily. You get, so I can say, okay, I want to spend now I think it's the minimum of 1,200. Let me see. 1,000. So yes, the minimum of 1,620 naira. That's the minimum. So let me put 1,700. So I have 1,700 as my daily budget. Then I said, okay. They said, when do I want to start my ad and when do I want to end my ad? This is currently 14th September 2024. That's when I want to start my ad. I want to start it at exactly this time. 23, 50. So like in 50 minutes time. So do you want to create end dates? You can say, yes, I want the ad to end tomorrow by 4 p.m. tomorrow. That's when I want my ad. Oh, sorry, click here. Today is Sunday, sorry. So I'll say, okay, Monday by 4 p.m. That's when I want my ad to end. So I have that checked out already. So the next thing I will now do is budget scheduling. Increase your budget during specific time period. You might not need to do that. It's something you can go manually to go and do based on the performance of your ad. So what I'm going to do next is now come here and say, okay, audience control. So this is one of the most important parts of placing ads. Audience control. It's very important to know the people you are reaching, the people you are trying to reach with your content, so that you don't end up marketing to the wrong people. It's very important. It's not about just putting your content out there. It's about you understanding very well what exactly do I want to sell and who are the people that I want to sell this stuff to. So that's where audience control comes to play. So under audience control, it's asking me, first of all, I said location. Where do you want to have your ad running? Which place do you want to have your ad running? Is it Nigeria? If it's not Nigeria, you click edit and you actually put the location itself that you feel like, okay, you want to have there. You get, so you put this guy, it's going to automatically search, then you click on it. For instance, let's say I want to add United States. United States. So I want to add both United States and Nigeria. So I'm just going to click United States and I have both of them now. You can see. So I'm marketing to these two countries. So when you finish picking the country, there's something now called advantage audience. Now, advantage audience is that point where you now go detailedly in telling, okay, aside from me targeting these people that are in Nigeria and the United States, inside those same countries, what kind of people do you want? Because there are different kind of people in that same country. So what kind of people do you want? You can only decide that when you've already decided what product you want to sell. For instance, if I sell alcohol, let's say I want to promote alcohol, I would not be targeting places like banks. I would not be targeting places like church. I would not be targeting places like there are places I should be targeting. I will be targeting places like clubs, hotels, guest house, stuff like that. That's where I will be targeting. The kind of people I will be targeting, I definitely will not be targeting secondary school leavers. I will not be targeting primary school leavers. I probably will be targeting people who just graduated, young people, because you have quite a number of them who would be my customer, who would be my target audience because they actually take alcohol. So that's what you need to understand. So how do you add those ones? You come here and click on this plus sign and it's a custom audience. First of all, what age do you want these people to be? These people that you want to patronize your product, to consume your content, what age do you want it to be? Because the reason why this is very important is so that Facebook can understand that, okay, these are the kind of people that this person wants to have. Then they will show them your videos. So they will not show the wrong. So they will show them your videos. So they will not show the wrong persons your videos. That's why this particular aspect is very, very important. So for my own case, let's say what I'm promoting, I need to check my folder again because I don't have content in that particular page that I want to promote. So let me just check my downloads to know the content that I can promote. Okay, so let's say this. These are beads, right? So let's say that's what I want to sell, beads. So because I already know what I want to sell now as beads, I'll now say, okay, people from 18 to 65, let me remove it from 18 to, let's say, 50 or 48, or let's say 58. 18 to 58. That's the people. Those are the people I want to target. Now it's asking, okay, do you want to target both or just male, or you want to target both male and female? So you have to conclude and say, okay, male wear beads, female wear beads. But I think it's female because female will easily patronize the beads and all that. So that's the reason why I would choose female. So then I will now come here and say all genders. I'll click to edit, and then I will choose women only. You get now. This is actually narrowing Facebook down to the kind of people you want. That's the people you want to patronize you. So now you can see currently here what I have. You say estimated daily result 4 to 11 people that will be reached. Conversion 0 to 6 people. Please, most of the time, don't mind this analytics. Don't mind it. It's basically giving you based on what people have put in the past and based on what you're putting now. Don't mind it, and we're still arranging it by the way. So then when you're done filling this guy, you will now come down and now get to the detailed targeting. That is where you need to now target these people well. That's where you need to get them well. So how do you do that? Remember, what I want to sell is beads. This is what I want to sell, right? And I made my conclusion and be like, okay, maybe people that are from the age of 18 to 58 would maybe love to get this thing. Do you get? Then I now put it and be like, okay, people who have that's then I will now come and be like, okay, I think female would easily buy this because it's more of like looking like female stuffs and all that. I've already made that conclusion and I've already had it in my targeting audience, right? My custom audience rather. So what I will now do here is target these people based on 3 major things. Now, these 3 major things is very, very important. You need to know what you are targeting these people for. 3 major things. 1, demograph. You need to understand, first of all, what is demograph? Demograph is majorly, what are these people? Where is the region these people are? Like, what exactly in the cycle? Where exactly would you easily find this kind of people? That's demograph. Do you get? Then interest. That's number 2. Interest. What are these people interested in? What are these people likely going to be interested in and all that? So this is going to help you target these persons. Then the last one, behaviors. What are their behaviors online? What do they come online to do and all that? So for my own case, I'm going to first of all start typing features I feel like these people that I want as customers, features that they will have. Then I'll type beauty. I'll first of all type beauty because my stuff is kind of like beauty related stuff and all that. So I'll type beauty. Beauty, say beauty, social concept, and all that, another interest. That is an organization. So these people might be interested in that organization. Then I'll come and type music. People that will like that kind of product, they might also like music, right? No, let me say love music. Love music. This is more of like you detailing putting down personas that you feel like, okay, these people would like. So this is more of like helping me to narrow down what exactly I want. Then under demograph, I can say, okay, university. So I'll see university interest. These people, yes, of course. Then I can type. So you can put as much as you feel like, okay, you need here to describe these people. So when you're done, then you now move to the next one, which is the ad itself. The ad itself now is where they'll now tell you, okay, bring the video you want to use for your ad, or bring the picture you want to use for your ad, write the captions and stuff like that. That's where it is. So now here, we agree that this is blue bag ad set, right? So we'll now say, okay, blue bag, medium size. That's this one. So remember, we're promoting 3 blue bag. So we'll now say blue bag, medium, ad. So maybe we'll have small and we'll have big. So this is medium. Then I'll now come down and say create ad. Yes. Here now, it's asking you create ad, or do you want to use existing post on your social media page? But like for us, we said, I don't have existing posts there, so I'm just going to create ad. So that's still valid. Then I'll now come here. What do you want to use as your ad? Is it a single image, or is it a picture, or is it a single image, or is it a video, or is it a carousel? So you're going to check, right? So now here on this particular part, it's saying multi-advertiser ads. Now, what it's telling you here now is that you're not just going to have your ad on Instagram and Facebook. You're going to add your ad on other kind of platforms and all that. They're going to be featuring there. That's it. This actually attracts some extra expenses. We get. So, but a lot of people use that. I also use it. So that's why you now come down here. You now say, okay, add media. Is it video you want to use or picture? So I'll click on image, add image. Then I'll come here, upload the image because I know it's not there. That's how I'll go down and click. This is what I wanted, what I want to promote. So you click and then it loads up and you see it here. So what you do, click on next and then you see how it will appear on the different social media page, how the stuff will appear. If it's not something you like, then you have to go back and crop or replace it. So I'll click on next. And then on this part now, it says, your ad creative is fully optimized. Then I'll click done. So now you can see my ad. You can see where it's showing, right? Remember, it's engagement. And remember, we said we want them to chat. So that's why this guy has chat with us. So I will now go down and now start writing. So here you write your captions on how you want your people to see your write-ups concerning your products and all that, something that is really very triggering. This is more of like the body of it here. This is the heading. When somebody sees your ad, the first thing they will see, that is what this heading is like. You get. Then next, what you would do is come call to action. We already said call to action should be a message. That's what calls to action should be, right? So next, what we will now do is come down and set the default message you want them. That's the autoresponder that you want them to have when they click on your product to chat with you. They should be able to get an autoresponder because apparently you cannot be waiting to attend to everybody on the DM. It can be very stressful. So autoresponder help a lot on this aspect. You can see me now. I said, hi Prosper, please let me know how we can help you. So this is this person. The person that chatted us now, his name will be replaced with this. You get, that's the automated template. At this point, once you've had all these things set up, written all these things and all that, what you just need to do is come and click on publish. Click on publish. Now, when you click on publish, if something is not fixed, it will still give you error. So you have to come back and fix it. So guys, this is simply how you can run your ads. You get. So I'm going to be maybe explaining more further in the next class. I'm going to try as much as possible to still throw in more tips on ad. I just give you the basic step-by-step guide on how you can actually get your ad going and what each thing is for. So this is everything you need to know about Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Now, there's one other aspect. Let me quickly point out that you might be asking, how do they do that? So there's something called this boosting you guys do and all that. This is where you just come. Click on boosting, follow the prompt, and you can boost your picture. So these are the, what they call it now. This is simply what it takes to run ads, a successful ad at that. Now, you can see very well that on our ad manager, we now have this guy, which is blue bag. So if I come to the ad campaign, you will still see blue bag. Ad manager, it is you see bags campaign. Ad set, you now see blue bag. I can now just come here and duplicate this and now create blue bag, black bag. You get. While under here now, you see that blue bag medium ad. I can now start adding all ad in blue bag, which is blue bag medium, blue bag large, blue bag small. So these are the different ways you can actually monitor your ad. Like you can see here, we said our daily budget, what we set is 1,700 for our daily budget. So this is simply how you can run your ad if you don't have any prior knowledge about ads and all that. This is simply the step-by-step guide on actually how you can run your ads. Now, maybe in our next topic, I'm going to more of like give you more tips. I'm going to give you like maybe some secret about how you can tweak your ad to get more conversion and stuff like that. We'll probably discuss it on the next class. Thank you so very much, guys, for your time, and I really do appreciate it.